Alright guys, welcome back to 3 Styles. Today is Sunday, August 15th, and today we're going to analyze Tilray real quick. So on Friday it did close down 5.6%. As you can see, it started with a sell-off and it just went off. Now, looking at the month though, we're going to analyze it like I usually do, starting with my MA14 line, the blue dotted line. So if a stock is over it, I'm buying. If a stock is going under it, I'm selling it. And as you can see, it started going under it the last 2 days of the month. And the PSARs, the yellow dots, if they're over it, it's sell. If they're under it, it's buy. And the last 2 days they turned to sell. 3 months we're gonna look at the MACD and the RSI. So the MACD was trending the whole time for mostly the 3 months, and it went up positive just a little bit over here along with PSARs. But then right towards the end here, it's about to trend negative, and it did already with the PSARs. Candles patterns is also negative. RSI is going more to sell off. So now we're going to look at the 6 months, and that we're going to look at the SMA 21, the white line. So if it's under it, you're selling, and if it's over it, you're buying. So as you can see, currently it is about to be under it again. So most signals of the stock right now is showing you sell right now. We're also going to look at the Bollinger Band, which is the blue band you see back there, kind of a blue ghost band. So if it goes over it, it'll usually bounce, or if it touches it, bounce, and it bounce back up, like over here or down. But right now it's kind of neutral, somewhere in neutral territory, so we're not really going to look at that much. We're looking at the volume though. Volume's been going down a little bit. There was a spike here, but negative volume seems to be coming now. Three red days in a row, and a really big one over here for the last day. So now for the year, we're going to look at some more interesting things. So the year, I like to look at the SMA 50, that's my healthy or unhealthy. So if the stocks are over it, it's healthy. When they go under it, they're unhealthy, right? And over here, you had a little test period. It seemed like it was finally coming back. I even made a video thinking it was going to come back if it stays over it for 2 weeks, like I said. And it was borderline 2 weeks. And then it kind of just touched it in that, and then it's back down again. One thing about this, I want to show you guys now for this video, and I think I'm going to add some other ones because sometimes they comes into effect. It's the SMA 200, which is like the longest term line you can think of. Sometimes people do 500, but that's kind of pointless to me. But the 200-day average, if it ever happens that the SMA, the purple line, crosses it, the yellow line over it, then that's called the golden cross, guys. And over here it happened, and look what happened. It was stay true to his name, right? But what happens if it crosses under it, the 50, the purple line crosses under the yellow SMA 200? It's actually called a death cross. And technically when that happens, they go way down. And so if I were to show you in a bit of a closer days, so it happened right here, like around August 9th and 10th, which was coincidentally the same time that an insider sold, where does this say how many shares? It shows 8.5 million worth of shares. So that's kind of up to you if that's coincidental or not, but that crossover just happened, and an insider sold a lot of these shares. So that's something to look at. So yeah, so right now everything's trending to sell off right now. So it's up to you guys, but of course news and indicators before, charts and events, and always do your own due diligence. Well, that's the video for the day. Hope you appreciate it. Hope you like it. Comment and subscribe. Thank you.